Alright, the BOBLOV B4K1 body cam. Here's the stuff that comes in the box. So on the front you got the lens, the IR lights, and the flashlight, the BOBLOV branding. On this side you've got the mini USB for data transfer and charging. This is the flashlight / infrared button, and this is the audio record button. On this side you got the video record button, the picture taking button, and the on-off button. On the back you got the bracket for the for the clip on. You get the screen, you get the menu button, the OK button, and the playback button. On the top you get the 2 LED indicators to indicate whether or not it's recording or in standby mode or charging. On the bottom you've got the contacts for a docking port or docking station, but this didn't come with one, so yeah, that's it. It's light, it's small. So a little size comparison between this, the Campro i826, and the BOBLOV KJ21. So there you go. Inside, top. These are the 3 body cams I have. So this is, this is what we're going to compare. Okay, there you go. Campro i826, the BOBLOV B4K1, and the BOBLOV KJ21. 3 body cams. All these stuff on the outside. Let's get into the menu system real quick. To turn it on, you just press the power button. And you see the green light coming on top. It makes a noise. You can shut that off in the menu settings if you want, if it's too annoying for you. To go back, you would hit the microphone key, the bottom one. Okay. Time photographing, GPS, time zones. You can set all that stuff. Video duration. You can set how long you want it to record for. It doesn't record long continuous files. It records in segments, like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 15 minutes. Then you have to edit those together later. Slideshow, motion detection, record audio, date stamp, car mode. Okay, all these different things. You can set passwords, police, ID, set the date and time, you format the memory, default setting, and the version of the software that it is. I forgot to mention there's a little reset button in there right under the mini USB port. Just in case it crashes or anything, you stick a pin in there and it resets the device. So there you go. So that's it, pretty much. A quick overview of the menu. Oh, playback. So you go into standby mode. To playback files, you hit that one right there. Then you can go playback photos, audio, video, whatever you want. And you go to the different files that you so I use this to do food deliveries and stuff like that, to protect myself and other things, because you never know when someone's going to accuse you of something you didn't do. So you want to protect yourself against bad people like that. It's got a quick record, quick start function. So you long press the record button and it'll automatically start recording right there. So, record events quickly if you want. That allows you to do that. And shut it back off. Yeah, the infrared button. So you want to the flashlight / infrared button. You want to long press, turn these lights off. Short press. Turns on the infrared. See the infrared lights right there? If you short press it, it turns on the infrared. But if you long press it, it turns on the flashlight. Like that. So there you go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, let's get into some footage to see what it looks like.
10 on number 2. Number 2. Although we're recording in 4K now, somehow the 4K footage in this camera takes up less space than the 2K footage, which doesn't make any sense if it's higher resolution. And also, if you set it to 4K resolution in the camera, somehow the file takes up less space, and it's a lower bit rate in 4K than it is at 2K, which doesn't make any sense. I'm thinking maybe it's upscaled to, 4K, but it's not really 4K.